So in this question we have to find the equivalent resistance between point A and B. So this is an infinite network. It is an infinite in left hand side, infinite in right hand side, infinite at the top and infinite at the bottom. It is also a dead network. It is also a dead network. Completely dead network because there is no voltage source and no current source present in this network. There is no voltage source or current source in this network. So such network is called as dead network because there are no voltage sources or current sources or no independent sources are there in this network. So to find the equivalent resistance between 2 points of such a network, we have to assume source from our side and then find the equivalent resistance. So let's assume a current source at point A. It is connected to ground. So this is a current source I at point A. Let this point be C, this point be D, this point be E. These are 3 more points. So points B, C, D and E are equipotential point from point A because there are equidistant, because from A to D there is resistance R, from A to C there is resistance R, from A to B there is resistance R and from A to E there is resistance R. So this current I will divide into these 4 resistance into these 4 branches equally because these are equipotential points. So the current flowing here is I by 4, the current flowing here is I by 4, the current flowing here is I by 4 and current flowing here is I by 4. So this is the first source which we have applied the current I at this point A and the current due to this source from A to B is I by 4. Now we have to remember that I by 4 is flowing in this direction from A to B. Now we remove this current source. Now we are removing this current source and applying a current source at point B. And it is connected to ground. So let's assume 4 points F, G and H and this is point A. So from B to G, B to H, F and A, G, A, F and H are equipotential points from B because these are at same distance. From B to A resistance R is connected, from B to H R is connected, from B to F R is connected and from B to G also resistance R is connected. So this current is coming from all these branches equally. So it is I by 4. If this current is I, then this is also I by 4. In this direction also I by 4. And in this direction, from this resistance also I by 4. So I by 4 from here to here. So I by 4, I by 4, I by 4, I by 4. And in below also I by 4. This is in this direction. I by 4. So these I by 4 to add up to give I here. So now when we applied current source I at point A, the current was flowing was I by 4 and when we applied current source at point B, the current was I by 4. So total current due to superposition, first we applied this current source, the current was I by 4, then we removed this current source and applied this current source at point B, the current was again I by 4. So the total current due to superposition, so total current I1 plus I2 is equal to I by 4 plus I by 4 is equal to I by 2. This current I1 was I by 4 when we applied source at point A and current I2 was also I by 4 when we applied source at point B. So VAB equal to I by 2 into resistance R, because from A to B resistance R is present. So VAB upon I is equal to R by 2. So VAB upon I is the equivalent resistance, because the ratio of voltage to current is resistance. So R equivalent is equal to R by 2. So the R equivalent is equal to R by 2. So it means that this resistance R and all the rest of the resistance are acting as parallel resistance of R with AB. So the parallel combination of R and R is R by 2. So this resistance R and all these resistance can be assumed as, can be replaced as a resistance R in parallel with A and B. So the parallel combination of R and R is I by 2, R by 2. So I hope you got this point, that this resistance R and all the rest of the resistance are acting as a parallel resistance R between A and B. So their combination is equal to R by 2. So the equivalent resistance between A and B is R by 2. So this is how we solve this infinite network by infinite dead network. So this is a dead network because there is no voltage or current source present in this network. So first we apply a current at point A and a current source at point B, and then calculate the current due to both these sources individually and add them up. So I by 4 plus I by 4, I by 2. So VAB upon I equal to R by 2, hence the equivalent resistance is R by 2. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.